Hey friends, it's your girl Kim here, and in today's video we will be creative in the kitchen. Yes, I will be trying my hand at making the viral Tik Tok Pasta. It's so easy to make, and watch my short video. I guarantee this will make you a Tik Tok Pasta pro. You can get this done in 30 minutes and it serves a lot, so here's what you'll need. The main ingredients include a block of feta cheese, a container of grape tomatoes, olive oil, oregano or any pasta herb blend, your pasta of choice, and basil. The beauty of this recipe is you can wing it. I added garlic and onion seasoning as well as some pepper and salt. Lastly, you need a casserole dish or any kind of oven-safe dish. This looks very presentable, so everything is done right then and there. No other dishes required. While you prepare your ingredients like washing the tomatoes and such, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Now comes the easy part. Put all your ingredients together. Here we have these grape tomatoes I just washed. And here I come in with the olive oil to drizzle on the tomatoes. Now, this is EVOO in my hand, but the next time I try this, I want to experiment with truffle oil. And now I'm sprinkling on some of that herb blend. You could just do simple oregano, but I wanted to add more flavor to this, so you see me just doing a mix of things here right now. I did add a little bit of salt. I'm not normally one to add a lot of salt, but I had to because I know tomatoes contain a lot of water and I didn't want flavors to die down. So I just put a little bit, just a little. And to tie in all the flavors, I added fresh basil. I think that basil makes pasta complete, so you gotta add that. And if you don't have fresh basil, you could use dry basil, or you can use basil paste. Don't forget to save some for garnishing later. Now mix it all together and just have fun with it. Oh, I smell it, guys. It smells so good. Goodness gracious. Now make some space for that block of cheese. I know the main recipe calls for feta cheese, but next time I try this again, not only will I add truffle oil, I want to try brie cheese. I want to try this again. If you guys want to see another video of me changing it up, let me know in the comments below. Now leave it in the oven for 30 minutes and let's get to making the pasta while it's baking. The pasta I have on hand here is fusilli pasta. Did I even say that right? Fusilli? I'm just going to follow the directions on the packaging. So whatever pasta you choose, follow the directions there. This is how I did it. I did add a little bit of salt in the water just for tasting. And when I strained the water, I did leave a little bit of pasta water because the starch from that pasta water will help with the creaminess of your pasta. A little tip. Oh my god, you guys, is it done? It's done, you guys. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I know this is a voiceover, but that was my thought process when I was making this. Like, guys, it smells unbelievable. It looks so good. Okay, let's contain the excitement. We still have to put them together. You gotta mash it up and just take out your frustrations on these tomatoes and cheese. And this is how it's gonna look. Oh yeah, there you go. That's how it looks once it's all put together. Ah, that just looks so creamy. And then you're going to add your pasta in. I used the whole bag, by the way, so I think I had a little bit of pasta left over, but that was okay because I made another dish with that. Okay, once you mix it real good, it is ready to serve. How easy was that? My gosh, you guys. And at this point of the video, you guys are now Tik Tok Pasta pros, so I hope you give it a try. Now, if you like more fun content like this, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your meal.